Take a look at the coolest cars from RiiRoo today. Joining our range of Mercedes G series is the brand new 2021 Mercedes G500. Just like the rest, this has all the bells and whistles from an integrated media player, working front lights, and best of all, this has the most sought after leather style seat. If you like the look of it, you will love everything else. It's suitable for children of up to 6 years of age or up to 115 centimeters in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning lights, start-up engine sounds, integrated multimedia console, functioning horn, 2.4 GHz parental remote control, opening doors, official brand stickers and badges, and a safety belt.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please consider subscribing. Also, smash the like button if you liked the video.
Let's take a look at the premium features. This multimedia player is compatible with both our key-shaped USB sticks and our brand new Bluetooth adapters. Suspension maintains ride comfort on uneven surfaces. The low-high speed settings is great for those who aren't confident in their new ride. Padded leather style seats. The 3-point safety harness gives you peace of mind that your child is completely safe. The separate light switch allows the lights to be switched on or off at will. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at riiroosquad.com, where we offer a free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.